What's up, YouTube? Got here a few 4 scales. Got the X-Max 8S, also XLX system, 34cc rubber motor Red Cat Rampage. And I got the same one, they're both the same. That one is gas and this one is electric on 8S. Then I got finally I got it working, Baja, the HPI Baja 5B with OBR engine on it, G320 on it, and brand new 990 carburetor. I will be running this one now, or maybe one of the other ones. I'll start with this one. Alright, so I did replace the tires. I had the tarmac. It only lasted a few runs, make them slick. Alright, let's get this started. It should start on the first pull, maybe the second. I'm not gonna mess with the needles. They're already set up at a 1/8 and 1/5/8 on the needle, so I'm not gonna mess with it. All right, let's do this. Oh. Maybe not the first or second or third or fourth, but 1 second, I got a car coming. I could feel the compressor right here. He goes to the side that quick. This thing is a monster. what broke now? What broke? Oh. Huh. I see what broke. Nothing broke. It's just the pinion came off. See, the pinion came off right there. Should be here somewhere. I didn't see it coming off though. It must have shot out. Alright, I'm gonna do a second video of it. I'm gonna put this pinion back on and do another one. Wow, I feel like I'm pressing right here. Alright guys, I'll do a part 2 video of it. Let me go ahead and look for this pinion. This is how much power this motherfucker has. Alright guys, stay tuned for the second video. Peace out.